We talked about their struggles, and we talked about their hopes. At the end of the day, these men and women weren't as concerned with the news of the day in Washington as they were about the very real and very serious challenges their families face every day. Whether they'll have a job and a paycheck to count on, whether they'll be able to pay their medical bills or afford college tuition, whether they'll be able to leave their children a world that's safer and more prosperous than the one we have now. Those are the concerns I heard about in California. They're the concerns I've heard about in letters from people throughout this country for the last 2 years. And they are the concerns addressed in the budget I sent to Congress last month. With the magnitude of the challenges we face, I don't just view this budget as numbers on a page or a laundry list of programs. It's an economic blueprint for our future, a vision of America where growth is not based on real estate bubbles or over-leveraged banks, but on a firm foundation of investments in energy, education, and healthcare that will lead to a real and lasting prosperity.